The president of the Nigerian Senate, Gospel Akpabio, has accused Natasha of giving false information about the Senate to the international community. Senator Natasha, who represents Kogi Central, was recently suspended for 6 months for violating Senate rules. However, she took her case to the United Nations Interparliamentary Conference in New York on March 12, 2025. She claimed that her suspension was unfair and that the Senate President Gospel Akpabio sexually harassed her. The president of the Interparliamentary Union, IPU, Tulia Akeson, said that the United Nations will look into the matter. During a Senate meeting on March 13, 2025, Akpabio denied Natasha's claims. He said she was trying to embarrass the Senate by telling a different story than what really happened. He thanked the House of Representative member Khalifa Togbara for correcting the misinformation in the international media. Akpabio also said that Natasha took the matter to court instead of letting the Senate review it. He warned that such actions could discourage women from being appointed to important political positions. The Senate passed a vote of confidence in Akpabio, showing their support for him. Akpabio urged his colleagues to focus on their work and not get distracted by controversies. The issue has caused a lot of debate online, with some people calling for a proper investigation into Natasha's claims, while others believe the Senate rules should be respected. We will continue to supply you more trendy news updates. You can drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.